Hey guys, we want to introduce something new to you before midnight's practice. Something new we're going to do for the kickoff team that we're calling the Waterboy formation. We want to do this because we think it's going to throw some wrinkles into our opponent's preparation, and we also think that this will be a lot of fun for you. So let me go through it now as a quick video. So when we line it up at about 1:30 a.m. on Monday morning, you kind of have an idea of what to expect and where to be. Now, this is going to be our formation for kickoff, the kickoff team. So what I want to draw up first is I want to draw up the line where the kickoff team starts. So let's say this black line that represents about the 40-yard line where we kick off from. Here's where the ball will be. Okay? Now, at the 50-yard line, meaning 10 yards away, that's where the other team will line up. I'm going to draw probably what our typical player on the other team will look like, who's the first defender in the middle of the field. This kid. Number 55. Now, here's what we're going to do. Here's the ball, right? 10 yards back, we're going to line up everybody on the kickoff team in a bunch. Meaning, here will be the kicker, symbolizing him with a K. Then, players, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Put all of them together and we get 12, right? And they're all facing straight ahead. Now, the kicker says go. And when the kicker says go, all of you sprint up to the ball. As if you were going to run straight ahead at number 55. But the kicker stops just short of kicking it. And when the kicker stops, all of you stop. And the 6 people in the front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you shift over into a regular kickoff group 5 yards deep. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, you shift over here into a regular kickoff group 5 yards deep, and the kicker pulls back again. Then the kicker raises their head again, and we proceed with our kickoff. That's going to take a little coordination. It's not as hard as it sounds, but here's why we're doing it. This is where it gets fun. If this opposing team has not practiced for this, and they haven't adjusted, meaning they haven't told the other players that when Springfield is lined up like this, we need more guys to come into the middle in case Springfield actually kicks it short. If they don't bring more guys in the middle, then the next time we line up for kickoff, I don't know what we'll call it. We'll say Waterboy. And if we say Waterboy, as you sprint up to the ball, the kicker actually kicks a little dribble right at number 55. And all 12 of you charge at him to get the ball. Now remember our kickoff rules. If the ball doesn't travel 10 yards, you can't touch it. The ball has to make it past this no man's land. You also can't touch this player until the ball has traveled 10 yards. But once the ball crosses this 10-yard no man's land, it's anybody's. And once this ball has crossed the 10 yards, this kid has no protection against all 12 of you. So, Coach Val said this was a scene out of the movie The Waterboy. We're going to call it the Waterboy formation. And And I want to line up in this on Sunday morning. Actually, it's Monday morning at about 1:30. And this is going to be how we're going to finish practice. We're going to practice some water boy formations against one poor sucker who's going to have to try to take on all 12 of you. I'll see you on Sunday night, early Monday morning.